Hello, this is Paula with Bark. Here's how to schedule automatic app and site blocking rules. To get started, go to your child's profile. Near the top, you'll see the current rules being applied. You might even see this shortcut to quickly allow recently blocked activity. This is handy if your child asks why something was blocked. You'll see the reason and have the option to allow it. Otherwise, tap Edit to customize the current rules further. At the top are Bark phone specific rules you can apply, like blocking texting or the camera. And further down, you'll see shortcuts to quickly apply rules for categories of apps, like social media, and specific apps, like Snapchat. Even if you don't see an app listed under a category, the category rule will cover it. For example, many families are concerned about blocking their child's access to OnlyFans or Pornhub. Blocking the sexual content category covers those platforms, even though you don't see the individual app toggles for OnlyFans or Pornhub underneath the category. And you can always verify what app or site is associated with a category by using the search bar here. As you can see, OnlyFans.com is covered by the sexual content category rule, which I currently have blocked. Further down, you can even add specific sites to allow or block, especially if you want a different rule for them than their category and don't see an app toggle for them already. Make sure you type in the site like this without the extra HTTP or www stuff. And at the bottom is the copy rules option, where you can easily copy rules from one child to another. Now that we've seen how to edit our current app and site blocking rules, how do we schedule these to automatically change based on routines for the day or week? Well, go back to the main child profile page, and you can see a summary of the routines by sliding from left to right, or I'm going to have you tap on the calendar icon here. Now you'll see the routines scheduled for this child on this weekly view. Routines allow you to schedule and customize the rules for your child throughout the week. For example, you can set a different bedtime for Mondays and Saturdays, and also set different rules for bedtime than for free time. If you just prefer to stick to one solid routine to keep it simple, rather than having different rules for different times of the week, then just stick to the default rules routine. That's what we fall back on too. Otherwise, you're able to use these routines to set boundaries that work best for your child. We thought through these options in the following ways, but you're welcome to use them in whatever way works best for your family. So for bedtime, we thought limit device usage when it's time for lights out. Customize what they can access during bedtime. Perhaps they're only allowed to listen to Spotify or something like that. School time. Limit what can be accessed during the school day. Customize the apps and sites they might need for school, like Zoom, Google Drive, etc. But block social media, for example. Free time? This would be a dedicated time to use just for fun. Like, I only want my child to have access to social media during the free time block I've scheduled, or I'm only gonna schedule free time when they've definitely finished their homework. You can use these all in creative ways that work best for you. And lastly, the default rules is just that fallback for any other time that there's not one of those other routines scheduled. So if you never schedule other routines, the default rules is just what is covering the whole week. But in the event you want to schedule a routine like bedtime, school time, or free time, you'll do so by tap the plus calendar icon on the top. Select the type of routine, select the days you'd like to schedule it, and the time. To customize which rules apply to that routine, just tap on it and then tap the edit button on it from the schedule page. Or tap the edit button from the child profile page. Either way works. If you have a vacation or unexpected day where you want to apply a different rule set just for the day or a short period of time, you can tap the Start Now button to override the current routine with a different one. For example, if my kid doesn't have school today due to a holiday, then rather than it applying school time rules, I may just temporarily switch rules, just a one-time override to free time. On the flip side, if you want to temporarily lock down the device where it only allows calls to emergency contacts and emergency services, tap pause. It'll gray out all apps except the Bark apps and the phone app. And lastly, we've talked about this in the other videos, but just a reminder that some settings for Bark Phone apply regardless of the routine scheduled, like the app time limits. Those apply for each day. The App Store access and app approval settings, the contact approval settings, basically the settings all under this global settings manage Bark Phone features section. So those you can always change at any time, but they apply regardless of the routine scheduled. And that's it. Check out our other videos for other Bark Phone tips.